Hey, it's Lay. Welcome back. In my previous video, I mentioned to you guys that I would show you how I add more shine to my hair because it was looking dull and dry, and it still is looking dull and dry, as you can see here. So this is how I do my hot oil treatment. I started on freshly washed hair and I shampooed my hair with this Haas Keratin Protein shampoo. I absolutely love the Haas brand and all of their shampoos. It's the best shampoo I use for my hair other than like using Castile soap. I previously used this Avalon Organic Thickening shampoo because it was like more natural, vegan, but it left my locks feeling too dry, so I won't be using that again. In this bottle I have a blend of oils that I use for the hot oil treatment. You don't have to use a blend of oils, you can just choose one from this list that I provided with you guys here. And the best oil that I would recommend is grapeseed oil if you're only using one. I use grapeseed oil for my last hot oil treatment, but this time I use a blend of coconut, olive, castor, avocado, and sunflower oil. After you choose your oil or your blend of oils, you will want to heat it either by putting the oils in a bowl and then placing it over a pot of boiling water like the double boiler method, or you can just add all the oils into the bottle like I did and then place it into the center of a pot of boiling water. Now I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did like a real bootleg way of heating up my oils. Like I blended the oils in the bottle and then I placed the bottle on top of my boyfriend's Xbox for about 2 hours while I retwisted his hair, and it heated up the oils to the perfect temperature. Okay, so do what you can. Now I went ahead and sectioned my hair, and now I'm just going to add the oil to the palm of my hands. Not too much though, and you want to make sure that the oil is not too hot so you don't burn your palms. And then you just coat that onto your locks. You want to focus on your locks and your ends more than you would your scalp. Your scalp is fine, you don't have to like oil your scalp, you just focus on your locks in particular. Now I repeated to coat each section of my hair 5 times with a generous amount of oils. My hair didn't feel soaked or drenched in oil, so that's good. And just be cautious when you're adding the oils to your hair, okay? So after I finish oil each section, I just go ahead and put my hair in like a tiny bun, and then I pin it, and I would just move on to the next section. And then when you're completely satisfied and you're done with each section of your hair, you can put a warm towel over your head and sit under a dryer for about 15 minutes. I personally don't use blow dryers and things like that, so I put a plastic bag over my head along with a scarf, but I didn't capture that part on camera, and I let that sit on my head for about an hour. You can also take a hot shower with the plastic bag on your head and use the steam as a heat source, and after that process you simply just rinse your hair and style as usual. There's no need to shampoo because that kind of defeats the purpose. So after I rinse mine out, I put it in this simple style, but like I said, there's no need to shampoo after you do the hot oil treatment. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I don't use conditioner on my locks, so this treatment is similar to doing a deep conditioning, and I do this whenever necessary just to add some shine to my locks so it don't look dull and icky and brittle and it feels soft and stuff like that. Okay, so I recommend to do this once a month, but it's completely up to you and your locks. Like if you found this video helpful, just like and share and leave any tips or questions in the comment sections. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, prosperous, and successful day.